Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your birthday or your age in Roblox. If you want to change your birthday since you've made a mistake during sign up or you just want to correct your info on your account, this video is for you. First of all, open up the Roblox application on your mobile device, or you can also visit roblox.com, the choice is yours. Just make sure that you're logged in with your username and password. Once you're logged into your Roblox home screen, click on the More button at the bottom right corner, and inside the More menu, click on Settings. Under Settings, click on the Account Info button. After you open up Account Info, scroll down to Birthday under Personal and tap the pencil icon right next to Birthday. Now update your birthday as you need. You can choose the year, day and month and click the Continue button after making the update. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your birthday or your age on Roblox. Remember that if you're over 13 plus, then Roblox will allow you to update your birthday directly, but if you're under 13, it does not let you change your birthday manually for safety reasons. So that's how you will be able to change your birthday or your age on Roblox if you've made any kind of a mistake during sign up or you just want to update to the correct one. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.